In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create automated status update requests in Smartsheet so your team can provide updates without requiring manual follow-ups. First, open your Smartsheet sheet and click on Automation in the toolbar. Next, select Create a Workflow or Create from Scratch to build a custom automation. Now, choose when rows are changed as the trigger for your workflow. After that, add a condition to specify when the update request should be sent. For example, you can set the workflow to trigger when the status column changes to In Progress. Once the trigger is configured, select Request an Update as the action. Next, choose the recipient who should receive the update request. This can be the contact assigned to the row or a specific person on your team. Customize the update request message so recipients know exactly what information is needed. Clear instructions help ensure accurate and timely responses. Then, select the specific fields you want users to update. Limiting the request to relevant fields makes the process faster and easier. After configuring the workflow, give it a name and save it. Before using it in a live project, run a test to confirm the update request is being sent correctly and includes the expected fields and message. Once enabled, Smartsheet will automatically send update requests whenever the specified conditions are met, helping keep project information accurate and up to date. That's it. You've successfully created an automated status update request workflow in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.